Hello there and welcome to another one of our Lexical Lab 1 Minute English videos. If you like this video, do subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to see what else we have to offer you. Life here in London is quite weird at the moment. We've got the ongoing coronavirus crisis, with death rates creeping back up to around 100 a day. And in the background, we've also got the ongoing Brexit disaster that's sort of grinding to some kind of inevitable conclusion. As a result of all of these stresses and tensions, I often find myself losing my temper when watching the news, particularly when our glorious leader Boris Johnson is on. And my long-suffering wife has to listen to me losing my temper. The other day I was in the middle of a rant about Boris Johnson when my wife finally snapped. She decided she'd had enough and she shouted at me, "Oh, for God's sake, just give it a rest. You keep going on and on about it. It's doing my head in." If you tell someone to give it a rest, you mean you want them to stop saying or doing something that you find annoying. Sometimes my 8-year-old son plays with various toys in the front room, and when I'm trying to teach or trying to work online, I can hear him banging away at something in the front room. Usually I politely ask him to keep the noise down a little bit, and if he doesn't, in the end I snap and shout, "Give it a rest in there, Gene, you're driving me mad!" If you like this video, please click the like button below, share it with your friends, and in the comment section below, we'd love to hear examples of when you might use "give it a rest."